When ground no fit carry load, no fear. As always they talk solution dey. Now here deep foundation for coming. Strength will not dey on top ground, go definitely dey inside ground. How far na be the billionaire architect, and we see there in our foundation series. And today we go to discuss pile foundation. Now wetin be pile foundation? Pile foundation na deep foundation when they transfer building load go deeper soil or rocky surface inside ground. Instead of spreading the building load for the surface of the soil, them go dig piles when deep well so that they fit reach strong layer of soil for inside ground. How they work be say dem go drive long columns of concrete or steel or even timber wood sef deep into the soil. Okay, might just give you an illustration. More as you say this pencil na the pile now. They go drive and deep into the soil. Then this one na the building. I not say na use pencil as na foundation pile. I just dey show an illustration. So na the pile, it go grow deep into the soil, it go reach hard surface for the soil, inside the soil, then this one na your building. So your building go rest on top of the pile like this. So na the pile, so na the building. You no go use pencil do your foundation. So I want to give you some example. When I don't see maybe when they travel interstate or another state for some riverine areas, now go just see some houses when they on top water. They just use wood, just put on top the water. Then the house will come stay on top the wood. And that will be example of pile foundation. So now so pile foundation just be. They go make sure they go drive the wood or concrete or steel deep till reach strong soil surface inside ground before they fit come build on top. So this kind of foundation they good for majorly riverine areas or where water they surround them, or maybe you want build very tall buildings like skyscrapers or high-rise buildings. Now this kind of foundation that they use because the soil, the building's heavy, so they need to dig the pile, go down well, make for a rich, strong surface before they fit start to build. So I will just list some instances when they use this kind of foundation. Number one, they use this kind of foundation when the soil is swamping soil, when the building heavy, as I talked about before, like high-rise building. And we get these buildings for Dubai, this Burj Khalifa. They use that kind of pile foundation they use for that building. I also hope that they pronounce it Burj Khalifa. That way they call the tallest building in the world. Then this tallest hotel in the world when they Dubai too. Now that kind of foundation they use for the structure, pile foundation. Then number three, they use this kind of foundation when the water table high. The pile fit be concrete, steel, or timber. And depending on the kind of building when they want to use and depending on the kind of weather when they there, it is mostly concrete or steel. So we get two methods when they say they do this pile foundation. The first method be say them go use drilling machine, them go drill out the soil when they inside till maybe the drilling machine can reach hard surface for the soil. Then they'll come put your reinforcement bar inside the ground. Then they'll come pour concrete. That's not the first method. Or two, they drill the pile. More as we say at the pile now. They use machine. They hit this pile till reach strong surface. Now this method too, they call them skin friction. This hitting of the pile into the ground. Now skin friction. How this method they work be say. I won't talk for one of my videos, but I might just explain them here, sure. Maybe I go through more like later. But how the thing they work, we say, okay, now first try them. If you carry wood now on top sand, they hit the top of the wood. At the beginning, the wood go going smoothly. Then you will come reach a point whereby the wood not fit they go into the ground again. Not because say the wood don't reach rock, but because say the force when they apply on the wood, they equivalent to the resistance of the soil when they hold the wood. Also understand that English. So as the wood they go into the ground, the soil too they resist the wood. So once it don't reach equilibrium, guys want to hit that wood, they give say it go deeper. So once they hit the pile, reach that extent, they see say the pile not go inside ground again, and then they go stop. So now down they call skin friction. Also understand, sure. Pile foundation they very expensive. As I talk am too, this one is still another luxury foundation, just like raft. Pile too, na still luxury foundation. So no say after I don't do your soil test finish, they tell say na pile foundation you need to do. My brother, you get two options. It's either you do or you go find another location to build your house. They say they use pipe foundation for areas like Lagos, and Lagos cities where pipe foundation and raft foundation they mainly they use for those kind of areas because it get high water table. Now make your soil test they very important before you start your foundation. Oh yeah, before this video turn family meeting, make we end down for here now. Meet me for comment section.